Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can find Facebook memories. It's a pretty simple process, so let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, tap on the three lines on the top right, then go to memories. If you have previously shared memories on Facebook, then you'll find those memories in the memories section. Since I have not shared any memories in the past in this Facebook account, there are no such events. From the same page, you can also create new memories that you can share in your Facebook. For that, select the layout that you want to use. Let's tap on journey. Then after, select the photos that you want to add to your memory and simply tap on next. As you do that, the memory that you just now created will be shared to Facebook as an official Facebook memory. So in this way, you can find Facebook memories and also create new memories. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.